In this video, we'll show you how to install Microsoft Teams on your mobile device and access the Student Help Desk channel. We'll start with installation on an Android-based device. First, locate the Google Play Store and tap it. Then, tap the search bar at the top and type in Teams. Microsoft Teams will appear on the list. When you see it, tap on it. Then, tap Install. Once that finishes, tap Open. You will be presented with an account login screen. On an Apple device, locate the App Store and tap it. Then, tap the search bar at the top and type in Teams. Microsoft Teams will appear on the list. When you see it, tap on it. Then, tap Get and follow the device instructions to download the app. Once finished, tap Open. We will continue demonstrating Teams on this device as the experience is the same for both devices. Tap on the email field and type your student's full email address. Then, click Sign In. At the next screen, tap the password field and type in the student's password. It will be a capital S, lowercase p, then their 6-digit birth date. Once logged in, be sure to tap Allow on any permission prompts. Tap Next until you get to the Teams feed screen. From here, you can tap Teams on the bottom, which will show the teams your student has access to. To show the team conversation, tap General under the team name and you will be brought to the chat area. From here, you can start a new post to ask the help desk a question. If you tap the bell on the top right, you can choose message notifications. By default, you will only receive notifications for replies to your own posts. And that is your intro into Microsoft Teams on a mobile device. Thanks for watching.